container and remove the card very carefully. And she wants to run. This time I will not spill. I will not spill.
वो ऐसे देख रही है, साइड से ऐसे देख रही है। ये देख।
Oh my
Hi friends, welcome to Baby Aara.
Kids TV. Today we are going to do what we are going to do, Ara?
Science experiment.
We are going to do a science experiment. To conduct this experiment, all we are going to need 2 containers of cold water and 2 containers of hot water. So first of all, I want to say one thing. Whenever you are going to do a science experiment, call your parent. And so let's start it. For the cold water, we are going to use the blue color. And for the hot water containers, we are going to use the red color.
Yellow color.
Red color. Ara, mix the blue color in the cold water.
And here.
And Mama going to mix the red color in the hot water. Ara, whoa, 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 whoa. And make sure the water goes all the way off the top of the container, glass, whatever you are going to use. Almost water should be spilling out. So Mama will help you also. I didn't give her food color, you should use food color. But if I give her the bottle of food color, then she will squeeze all the bottle in only one container. That's it. And now time to start the experiment. So now let's start the experiment. And the main thing I forgot to tell you, we need all. I found actually last time our experiment went wrong and she's telling me don't spill the water on my clothes. Sorry. Okay. That's why I'm saying always call your parent. And sometimes experiments go wrong. So okay, so let's start the experiment. First of all, we'll take a plastic card and we are going to place the plastic card on the cup, container, glass, whatever we are going to use. And she wants to run. This time I will not spill. I will not spill.
वो ऐसे देख रही है, साइड से ऐसे देख रही है। ये देख।
Oh my God, kids. Okay, what you have to do, place the card on the cold water container. Now, okay. There you go. And now very carefully place the cold water on the hot water container and remove the card very carefully. So, what happened? What happened? See? The color of the both containers start mixing. Right? And now this time we are going to place the hot water on the top and let's see what's gonna be happen. I have sent the Aara because now I am going to place the hot water container on the top, so that's why I sent the Aara. So now try this one. Hot water will be on the top and cold water on the bottom. Very carefully remove the card and let's see this time the water will mix or not. See. Can you see when the hot water on the top, the water didn't mix. So why does this happen? When the hot water on the top, the water didn't mix, and when was the cold water on the top, the water have mixed. So why does this happen? It happens because the hot water is slightly less dense than the cold water, so it sits on the top. So in the first experiment, when the cold water on the top, that time the cold water was more dense than the hot water. So that's why it sinks straight through all the gaps in the molecules in the water. So that's all. It's a very simple and quick and easy experiment. But you have to call your parents before doing this experiment because you have to be very careful with the hot water. So that's all. If you liked our experiment, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Hope we will see you very soon. Bye bye. Take